Students of class plus 2. In the last video I told you about the prism formula. This was our diagram in the last video, and KL was the incident ray and MN was the emergent ray. KL was going along this side and it was coming out along this side, and this delta was the angle of deviation कि डेल्टा एंगल से इंसिडेंट रे डेविएट हुई है when it passes through the prism. And now this was that was the equilateral triangular prism, but now we are taking the case of thin prism, and in the prism that was the expression a mu g is equal to sin I1 upon R1, and if the prism is thin, we are taking the case of thin prism, and so I1 will be very small and R1 will also be very small. So sin I1 will be nearly equal to I1, or sin R1 also nearly equal to R1. So mu is equal to I1 upon R1, and similarly a mu g was also equal to sin I2 upon sin R2, and that will also be I2 upon R2. In this way we get I1 equal to mu R1 and I2 equal to mu R2. And our relation was this in the last video, that A plus delta equal to I1 plus I2. So we get the values. I1 की वैल्यू हम क्या रखेंगे, mu R1, और I2 की वैल्यू mu R2. तो mu is taken common, तो R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 was equal to A, as I told you in the last video, and that's why A plus delta equal to mu into A. In this way delta is equal to mu A minus A, so delta is equal to mu minus 1 into A, and this relation we will use in the cause of dispersion. Now dispersion क्या है? What is dispersion of the light? That is the phenomena that the light when passes through the prism, तो it splits up into 7 colors, जिसको स्टूडेंट्स हम स्पेक्ट्रम कहते हैं. तो that is the property of the prism कि जब भी कोई लाइट रे इसमें से पास होती है तो it splits up into its different color. And why it happens, that we will find the cause कि why it happens in the prism while it doesn't happen in the glass slab, but it happens in the prism. Now we will see. Students, there is a relation for the refractive index of any material with the wavelength of the ray which is passing through that medium. So that is known as Cauchy's formula. Cauchy ने क्या फॉर्मूला दिया कि mu is equal to a plus b upon lambda square plus c upon lambda 4 and so on, where a, b and c, these all are the constant. In this way we can say roughly that mu is inversely proportional to lambda square. It means mu depend करता है कि which color ray is passing through the prism. And now delta is equal to, that we know in the case of thin prism, and mu minus 1 into A. It means delta also depends upon mu. And we know that in the sun light there are 7 colors, and red color has the maximum wavelength and violet color has the minimum wavelength. And by this relation we see that mu depends upon lambda. In this way mu is also different for the different colors of light, and it will have the different value for the different colors. It means for red color its value will be, angle of deviation जो होगा, that is mu r minus 1 into A. For violet color its value will be like this. तो delta is different and delta r जो है, and that's why, or mu r is different from the mu v, and hence delta r is different from the delta v. And mu r has the minimum value and mu v is the, mu for the violet has the maximum value, and that's why delta r has the minimum value and delta v has the maximum value. It means when the sun rays passing through the prism, the violet color is deviated most and red color is deviated least, and all others colors we get in between, and that's why we get spectrum in the sequence Vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And we get this type of spectrum, that violet color is deviated at the bottom and red color we get at the top, and all others color are in between, that is Vibgyor, and this is the spectrum. And ये जो that is ये angular, this is known as angular dispersion, means that is delta V minus delta R, and this is known as angular dispersion, and that's why violet color is deviated at the bottom and red color is deviated at the top, and this the reason that we get spectrum when the light ray passes through the prism. Thank you.